Hey guys, so in the previous video we talked to you about these 2, 1, 3, 1, 10 to 1 machines, right? And so we said the purpose for those were to simply write numbers in different bases. Now there's so much more we can do with these machines. So for simplicity's sake, because we all speak base 10, let's always deal with 10-1 machines, right? So what are things that we do with numbers every single day? Well, of course, we have a whole bunch of different mathematics. Let's go to the simplest one, right? Let's say addition, right? Where you just add two numbers up. Now, can we do this using a machine? So let's take some number 2, 3, 7, and 1, 5, 6, right? Let's add those together. So let's start with the original one. So of course we know in base 10 that it's just going to be these different digits for the different boxes. So we're going to have 2 here, we're going to have 3 here, we're going to have 7 here, right? So then let's add these right here. So we have another box here, right? Where we have 1, 5, and 6. Alright, so let's just add the dots into here, right? So we have 7 here, let's add another 6 dots there. Let's add another 5 dots here, and let's add a dot here, right? Well, that seems pretty simple, right? So then let's read it here. We have 3 here. We have, let's have 8 there, and then we have 13. So the answer clearly is 313. Now, that obviously doesn't work, mathematically correct, but we're gonna have to simplify. We're gonna have to do some exploding. So we see this is greater than 10 here. So then let's just erase away 10 dots, move that over here. So then that makes it 393. Let's just check our work here. 3, carry the 1, 8, 3, 9, 3. I made that mistake on purpose. So yeah, 393, see? Same right here. See, we're actually doing this over here. You always hear carry the 1 right here, which I forgot to do previously. Or no, I meant to do previously. So that's the equivalent of us exploding dots here, moving to here. So right, we can do long addition. Now let's try something a little more crazy, right? So clearly you can see that, addition's gonna work pretty fine. Now let's try some multiplication, right? There goes my eraser. So let's try 393 from before. Let's multiply that by, I don't know. Let's multiply that by 4, right? So here's how we're going to draw with the 10-1 machine. So we get our rectangle here, indicate that's 10 to 1. So we have the different boxes. So we're going to have 3 in here, 9 in here, 3 in here. So then, remember how we used for base before? We knew that this would be 300s like this, 9 tens and 3 1s, right? Now we could, use it mathematically where we do way overblown, where we do 3 times 100 plus 9 times 10 plus, see if you're getting that, 3 times 1, all multiplied by 4, solve that way. But the visual way is a lot cooler. So we just multiply that by 4, and then it can multiply every single part of here. So that's multiplied by 4, that's multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. So then we get here, if we just get my eraser, we erase that right there. We get 12 there. Erase right there. And we get 36. My math is correct there. And we erase that right there, get 12. So obviously it's 1200, 3060, 12. Now we explode it through. So we're gonna explode that one right there. So we got 1, 2, explode that right there. So we get another 3, and we get 6. Explode that one right there. And so we get 2 and 1. Then we had to obviously think of these as dots right here. We have that many dots and here, so that would be 5 right there. and that would be 7. So the correct answer is 1,572 for multiplication. Now obviously we could do with 2-digit numbers here. It would just be a lot longer, and we'd have to have subsequent machines down here to tackle them, which we're not quite going to do yet. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for the next one. We're going to do some subtraction and some division.